Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a volcano ad. Now this is an example of the video that was created using this particular image. Now to create something like this, all you have to do is simple. First of all, go to this Higgsfield AI. Second, click on apps. Third, scroll and choose volcano ad. Then the fourth will be for you to upload your image in this area. Once you've clicked on the volcano ad effect, then if you want a snapshot, you can always choose this and generate image. You'd have an image of your product here. But if you want a video, all you have to do is upload your product, click on generate video, and boom, your video will be generated for you in the next 15 to 20 seconds if you're using a free plan, or in a whole lot shorter time if you're using the paid plan. So you don't even need to worry about you do not need to worry about the credit, because Xvid AI allows you to generate for free if you're using the free account, at least one generation per day. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So please, we are begging for your subscription. Please subscribe, as we're actually trying to reach 5,000 subscribers. Thank you very much, and do have a great day guys.